A student is given the below values for a system of charges. What can the student say about this configuration? Here's our potential energy equation. Here are our two charges. Now just looking at this before you get into any of the answers, those are opposite charges, so you know that if there's no external forces acting, they will attract each other. So now let's look at the choices. And the first one, if there is no external forces acting on the charges, they will move apart. Nope, we just said they would attract each other. An external force must act on the charges to prevent them from getting closer together. That's true. No external force, they will get closer to each other. Next one's a little tricky. Decreasing the distance between the two charges increases the electric potential energy of the system. Well, if you decrease R, the potential energy gets greater, okay? So you might think this is correct. However, it's getting greater in the negative direction. You're getting a greater negative potential energy. That means the potential energy is actually decreasing. So this is not correct. If you substitute each charge with the same value but opposite signs, switch this to a negative 5.4 and switch this to a 3.8, then that will have no effect on the calculated electric potential energy. That's absolutely true. You'll still have a negative potential energy. You'll just reverse which of the charges was negative and which was positive. But when you multiply them together, you'll still get a negative answer. So the answer D is also correct. So our correct answers are B and D.